there. Ooh. It's good. How was it? Hello, Rock Nation! I'm Astor, your PT on the go, and I'm a chiropractic specialist. Andito tayo sa clinic, kasama natin si Ma'am
Des.
Ma'am Des. So, si Ma'am Des ay taga saan?
Pasong Tamo.
Pasong Tamo. O, ayan. Ano ba ang naging concern ni Ma'am Des? Ba't napunta sa akin?
Yung shoulder pain po, tsaka wrist pain.
Matagal na ito?
Matagal na po.
Gaano ka ngalay or gaano ka painful yung naramdaman mo sa kanya? Ano yung pinaka-worst na pain?
Ay, yung dito po sa wrist ko, pag hindi ko siya matuhod, masakit.
Okay.
Kahit magbubukas lang ng pinto, pagpatulak.
Oh, nakakalaglag ka ng gamit pag
Minsan.
nakahambo?
Minsan.
Oh, okay. As yung grip mo, nagkakaroon ka ba ng lazy grip na tinatawag every morning or minsan parang gusto mong i-grip pero hindi mo ma-i-grip?
Wala naman. Yung dito lang talaga masakit.
Okay.
Siguro
so,
pag tulog din kasi nakaganon ako.
Okay, I see. Okay. Tapos, sa lower back, anything bukod doon sa mga sinabi mo?
Minsan po sa lower back.
Minsan.
After work.
Okay. So, at least, yun lang naman as minor lang naman. No? At least, 24 ka pa lang naman. O, yan. Sinabi ko na, di ba? Your disc and fluids and lipids inside of your body is very healthy pa naman. Okay? So, mas madali natin ito i-correct. Ang pinakagusto natin kasi, every time na meet natin yung mga iba't ibang pasyente natin, okay, Rock Nation, makinig, ang pinakagusto natin is more about yung maging better yung lifestyle ninyo. At hindi kayo maging dependent sa atin. Bakit? Sa ganitong klaseng therapy kasi ay mas magandang maging reconditioning and recovery lang ito ng ating katawan. At hindi palagi. Bakit? Kasi doon mo makikita sa sarili mo mismo kung nag-i-improve ka na or hindi. Or something else na meron kang ginagawa para maging better yung lifestyle mo. Okay? Physical examination. Ready ka na?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Sige, posture up. Like that. Tignan ko ha. Ayan. Pag nakaganyan, komportable. Very good. Tingin sa left. Sagad. Sige daw. Tignan ko ha. Wow, at least. Kamusta pagka sinasagad? Anything with your neck?
Wala naman.
Ayos. Good. Kabila. Yan, how is it?
Medyo
may tightness? Okay. Tingala, look up. Ang normal is about 45 degrees, like that. Kamusta yan? Any tension?
Meron.
Sa neck, no? Sa batok mismo.
Aha.
Okay, yuko naman. I'll push you down. How is it?
Masakit po.
Where?
Parang dito po.
Sa gitna? Dito medyo sa taas?
Aha.
Okay, o ayan. Medyo nadidevelop na yung unstable support ng mga muscles natin. Okay? Kaya unti-unti na itong nagkakaroon ng ng development na deformation or misalignment. So unti-unting nagagalaw ng hindi maayos na pwesto yung ating spine itself. Okay? Try natin yung shoulders mo going up. Dikit sa tenga. Okay, that's good. Kamusta pag nakataas?
Yung pagtaas po medyo masakit.
Medyo mabigat ng konti. O, try mo namang ilagpas. Yun, nandun pa tayo sa range of motion, but how's the feeling?
Tumunog.
Tumunog yung, yung likod? Okay, that's good. Okay, down. O, rotation ng iyong lumbar. Go ikot. Yan. O, this is very normal. How was this?
Okay lang.
Good. Kabila. That's nice. Oh, this is very normal. Easy.
Hindi po.
Hindi. Medyo masikip ng konti. Sige, stand up. Kamusta yung activities mo nowadays? Nakakapagpapawis ka pa?
Minsan lang. Hindi lang.
Minsan sa
Once a week ganun.
once a week. Oh, at least merong once a week ka. Sige, back bend, try. Try mo daw. Dahan-dahan. Kamusta yan?
Medyo.
Medyo lang. Okay, sige. Harap ka dito, dun ka. Palit tayo ng pwesto. Harap ka sa amin. Oh, let's see. Forward bend. Yun. Try. Reach. Wow. Very good. Sige, up na. Okay. So, that's good. At least yung lumbar mo ay very healthy pa. Your disc is very good. Pinaka-focus natin, which case yung minimal na nangyayaring development at saka strain. Dahil sa iyong work at saka bad sleeping position. I'll hold this one and I'll pull up. Ready? Hinga. Exhale. Uy, parang meron na ata yun . Meron ano?
Meron na.
May mga konti ano? Sige, hinga again. Exhale. Oh, nice. Pwede pang mag-yulo Gymnastic pa. Very flexible ka pa. That's nice. Good. Last one. Hinga. That's good. Right there. Ooh. It's good. How was it? That? Sige. Stretching again. Going up. How's this when I going up?
Okay lang.
Nice lang. Good. Very flexible pa. Right positioning lang. Like this. Go. Hinga. That's good. Exhale. Loosen up. That's nice. Ooh. That's good. Right there. Here. Ready? Hinga. Just good. And down. Ooh. Tayo. Sa upper side. Like this. Ready? Hinga. That's good. Exhale down. Nice one. Ooh, that's nice. Since wala namang nakakabahalang problema sa iyong spine, the tension itself is very normal, yung sounds itself, okay? Walang anything na nakakabahalang development, okay? Or yung tinatawag natin ng mild scoliosis or scoliosis, okay? Ayan. And misalignments is very wala masyado. Minimal. Okay? So tayo, since yung ating upper thoracic ay medyo nandito, we have to push it to the right. Okay? I'll hold this one. Yan. Pwesto ko lang na maayos, ano? Yan. Yeah, drop your shoulders. That's good. Loosen up a bit. I'll hold and open. That's nice one. Whee! Kamusta? Ayos ka lang? Buhay ka pa naman. Wow, dami Oh, mukhang medyo iniinda mo yung madalas ng ngawit ng iyong ng iyong shoulders, ano? Lalo na kapag focus mode ka sa trabaho. Tama no? Ilang oras ka ba nagmamalagi sa upuan habang nagwo-work? Grabe ano, pero convenient naman kasi nasa bahay ka lang naman. Ano? Here, right through there. This is for the rib 1 and with your lower cervical spine. Kasi ito yung development ng neck hump, ano? We will push it down para mas makarecover na yan. Loosen up. That's nice. That's good. Kamusta? That's nice. Grabe ano. Okay. Better naman. That's good. Nice one. Alright. So tayo ay tihaya na. Facing up. Sige lang. Oh, so far, kamusta ka? A little. Okay. Uy, nice. This is good. Almost perfect. First, our tarsals or metatarsals here. Loosen up. Nice one. Lower. Oh, this is good. Next is with your navicular bone. This is nice. Next with your talus bone going up. This is clear. Next with your cuboid. Ayan. Connected with your inner hip. At saka sa balakang. Yep, right there. Okay. This is way better. Next with your heel. Turning in. Ooh. Nice. Kaya? Like, kabila. Lower. This is clear. Middle is good. Navicular. This is good. Cuboid na tayo. Right through there. This is nice. Next with your heel. That's good. Kamusta yun? Ayos ka lang? Yes, agad yung inner hip, ano? Ang next natin, we have to prepare with your lower lumbar. hanggang sa iyong sacrum. Okay? That's good. Kabila. Yeah, that's nice. Okay. Okay, so dito na. Okay, so ikot. Busog. Sige pa. Yan. This one. Yep, hold your elbow. Rest dyan. I'll press this one. Hold it and push and twist. Okay? Ready. Hinga. Exhale. That's nice. Oh, this is way better naman. Kasi nasa range of motion and yung pivot and rotation motion ay very normal. Okay, sa kabila. Higa natin. Yep. Right there. Next, mas malalim ng konti. Hinga. Exhale. Oh, yeah. Okay, this is way better. Your lumbar is very healthy. Ito yun, di ba? Okay. Masakit? That's nice. Okay, something going on here. Turning out. That's good. Pulling, turning in. A little. Okay. Loose na ito. Something going on here. Last one. That's good. Kaya. Okay. Elbow. Nice. Okay. Upper tendon. Lower tendon. That's good. Kaya? Ayan, connected with the ulna and radius with your wrist. Okay? Kaya, nagiging masakit yung pakiramdam when you are tukod. Okay. Turning in. Turning out. That's nice. Kaya? Sakit.
Okay.
Last one. Elbow. Here. Lower. That's good. Nice one. Let's check. Peram. Pag natutukod mo, pag ganyan, masakit. How's this?
Okay.
Good. Ito, kabila.
Hindi, kasi.
Where? Sa gitna. Medyo lang. Medyo. 1 to 10. 10 yung highest. 5. Good. One more. Nice. see. Ready? How's this?
Okay.
Good. This one. Kaya, ipipress ko ng gusto.
Okay.
Ah, dito naman?
Pero mas okay na compare ka.
Mas less na ito.
Ah.
Very good. Okay? Paano siya may improve? Ganito. Preparation, lubrication. Like this. Okay, at least 30 seconds or 60 seconds, 1 minute. Okay? Next, like this. Wide open. And then, open, close. Matigas ha? Open, close. Para saan yan? To improve your carpal bones. At hindi laging maipit yung pulley ligaments, median, and radial nerves. Okay? Next. After nun, ganyan. Okay? Like this. Duck. Improve this one. Okay? Kahit ganun lang. Every 1 minute. Each of your exercise. Next, yung liig. Cushion. Sa keyboard. Extra cushion. Or patungan dito.
Meron.
Good. Kahit face towel lang, ayos naman na. Sige, up ka ng konti sa akin. Good. Loosen up. See? Very normal. So what we're going to do is with your cervical 3, 4, yan. Right positioning. Loosen up. This is way loose. Okay? Very healthy ito. Kabila. Loosen up. Right there. See? A little push para mas mag-loose ito. Okay? And then, traction. So, since ang pinaka nagiging nakikita nating development, which is yung neck hump, hindi na tayo gagamit ng sobrang lakas ng puwersa. Okay? So, ipaparating lang natin saan? Sa iyong batok. This is a manual traction. Yan. Okay? This time, bite your teeth, kagat ang ngipin. Okay? Inhale sa ilong. Exhale sa ilong. So what we're gonna do is pulling for about checking and bouncing for preparation ng iyong spine. Okay? Hinga sa ilong. Exhale, pulling. Yan. Stretch a bit and bouncing it. Yan. Right there. Medyo papunta natin pa ganun. Okay? Hinga sa ilong. Exhale. Yeah, drop your shoulders. That's good. Bouncing. That's nice. Wow. Dami ah. How's it? First time mo yun?
First time.
Yeah. Hanggang saan mo siya naramdaman?
Hanggang dito.
Gitna? Oo. At least konting click lang natin meron na doon sa gitna. At the same time ang nangyayari kapag ganito yung upper weight natin, okay? Our lower extremities is medyo nabibigla. Kaya minsan, okay, madalas nagkakaroon ng ngalay doon, nagkakaroon ng mabilis na pagod, okay? At saka yung tawag nito, spine mo from the middle hanggang doon sa lower ay medyo nagkakaroon ng compression, okay? Lalo kapag mas bumibigat pa tayo. So, at least mag-monitor, maging aware sa iyong weight at saka sa iyong height, kung ano yung appropriate na weight mo. Okay? Para at least balance pa din at mas humaba ang ating buhay. Ganyan. Okay? Alam mo ba, pag lagi tayo nag-exercise every day, every 1 hour exercise is equivalent to 1 day younger. Alam mo ba yun?
Hindi po.
No. So kapag araw-araw ka nag-exercise, you get younger and younger and younger and younger. Okay? So kapag healthy yung ating spine, your age today is 10 years younger. Gusto mo ba yun? Okay. Recovery ng muscles. How's that? Kaya? So we have to find out. Okay? Let's see. What's the one? How's your body feeling
Okay.
so far? Anong difference ng iyong katawan?
Tamang mas maganda.
Mas gumaan? Wow, nag-lose weight na. Nice. Tignan natin yung iyong left traps and buttock. Okay, usog ka ng konti. Yan. Alright. Hindi ka naman allergic sa menthol? Good. Favorite mo na rin ito? Hindi naman.
Lagi.
Ganun talaga, no? Pagka, tingnan mo, kahit medyo younger pa, nagiging favorite na yung mga pamahid natin. Kasi, lalo na busy sa trabaho, medyo marami nang nararamdaman ng konti. How's this? Kaya lang. Okay. This one. Middle. Okay, this one. Ayos lang? Masakit? Medyo masakit. Okay? So, all we need to do is proper movement of your muscles. Okay? Taas ang kamay mula dyan. Then, taas ang ganun. Diretso. Mula doon hanggang dito. Okay? Pagka ibababa at ibabalik na natin, iikot mo lang yung palad mo, yung ikamay. Okay? Tapos, ibabalik lang doon. Okay? Pag ganun ha. Let's see. Ready? Going up. Sige daw. Okay, ikot ang palad, baba. Yun. All the way down. That's nice. So, that's the proper movement of your traps. Dulo.
Masakit.
Okay. Kamusta ito?
Masakit.
Same yung pain? Okay. Next, tignan natin yung bato. So, after nyan, i-release naman natin yung ating acromioclavicular joint. So, at saka yung ating rotator cuff. Para ma-release yung tension dyan sa iyong muscles. Sa dulo ng traps. Let's see the bato. How's this? See? Parang may bukol, or what we call is a knot. So, smallest and knuckle muscles. Okay? Pero minimal lang naman. Sige, hinga. Gaano kasakit? 6. Okay. Going. Good. Last one. Hinga. And down. That's good. Let's see. You have to do stretching. Yan. Baba lang yung ulo. Yan. Ready? Go. 5, 4, 2, and 1. Kaya? Good. Hinga. 5, 4, 2, and 1. Again. Hindi naman sobra. Let's see ano. Oh, masakit din? This one? Medyo tight ito, no? Okay. This one in the middle. In the dulo. Medyo lang. Oh, ito. Mostly. Sige. Same movement. 3 beses. Tig 3. Madami. Ready? Going up. Medyo tight lang. Go, ikot. It's nice. Ready? Kuma. Sige pa. Dominant hand ba ay kanan? Sige, last one. Okay. So, i-release natin ang tama yan later on. Kamusta yung so far? Stretching na lang. Okay. This one. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Go. 1, 2, 3. This one. Going. Okay, last one. 2, 3, 4, 5. Last one. 4 and 5. That's good. Okay, relax. How's the feeling so far? Ayos ka lang? Especially with the left muscles, shoulders. Hindi naman. Wala naman. Ngayon, tignan Tingnan natin. Turn sa left. Kamusta ito?
Okay.
Ayos lang. Kanina, pag tumingin ka sa right, medyo, di ba? Okay, let's see. How was it? That's good. Okay? See? Nasa tamang motion. Kamusta yung strain?
Wala.
Wala na. Good. Loosen up. And then, let it rest to recover na. Mas maayos at maging firm na ulit yung mga muscles mo to support your spine. Okay? Sige, sit down. Pero, una nating i-release since ito yung tunog. Sige, I'll push you forward. Pigilan mo ako. Okay? Kontrahin ba? Ready? Go. Sige pa. Lakas pa. Yun. Okay? Sige lang. Try. Go. Kontra pa. Lakas pa. Yun. Sige pa. May kunti lang. No? Next, with your acromioclavicular joint. Yuko ang ulo. Loosen up this one. Turning in. Pulling up. See? Up. Turning in. Pulling up. A little. See? Kamusta yun? Ayos lang. Then the last part is with your ears. Nabibingi ka na ba lately? Hindi naman. Hindi naman. Very good. Na migraine, kamusta? Wala.
Minsan.
Minsanan. Okay. So,
Pero
nade-develop.
sa left side po.
Left side. I see. So, we need to release your ear pressure para maging maayos yung hearing senses. Maka-recover yung ating temple muscles to prevent migraines and headaches. And even sinusitis. Ano? Control it. Kasi connected naman yan dyan. Right there. Loosen up here. Kamusta yun? Nice ka lang? Kailang kalas na pingot? Napipingot din. Okay. Here. Loosen up again. Uy, a little. Okay? Let's see. This is the sensitive part of your ears. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Hinga. Exhale. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. That's good. Kamusta? Ayos ka lang? So, hello again, Rock Nation. And we're done with...
Des.
So, kala ko nakalimutan na yung pangalan. Kamusta ang experience ng ating therapy?
Okay na okay po. Magkano yung pakiramdam.
Magaan sa pakiramdam. Ang daming na-release sa'yo at daming tumunog. Natakot ka ba?
Hindi po.
Hindi. Wow.
Gusto ko talaga ma-release yun.
Tignan natin yung kanyang katawan. Since wala naman sobrang nakakabahalang problema. Okay? Check natin yung kanyang concern first, which is yung iyong shoulder. Kamusta yung shoulder mo ngayon? Good. Kamusta yung wrist mo ngayon? Anong pakiramdam? So, yung tinuro ko sa'yo, gawin mo lang yun every day. At least, para the more na ginagawa mo siya, the more na maayos at mabilis makarecover ito. At hindi mo na maranasan yung mga ganyang bagay. Okay? Let's see. Posture up again. Turn sa left. Yan. Turn sa right. How's this?
Okay.
Good. Maluwag na. Good. Tingala. Yan. O, see? 45 degrees. Anything here? Tension? Kanina meron. Sa batok, di ba? Pag natingala. O, pag yuko naman, kanina pinush kita, meron part dito. Kamusta ngayon? Wala na?
Wala na.
Very good. Okay. So, this is a minimal development. Okay. So, at least si Des ay nagiging aware sa kaniyang katawan. So, yung iba, okay, kailangan nyo ng mai-prevent ito. Kasi once na nagmamanifest yung mga ganitong ngalay sa ating katawan, okay, this is the sign that something going on, okay, sa iyong spine itself or sa iba't ibang parte ng iyong muscles, okay? There's something to development, no, and deformation. So kapag tumagal, it takes time naman, ano, pero pag napabayaan at hindi ka aware, ayun na, magiging malala na. Okay? At least ikaw, very good. Okay, so tignan natin yung rotation. Tignan natin to. Here, ikot. Yan. That's one. How's it?
Okay.
Good. Kabila. Yan. Mas easy na ba ngayon? Kamusta yung medyo masikip kanina?
Okay.
Ayos na? Check natin yung shoulders. Yan. Kamusta ito?
Okay.
Good. Lagpas.
Okay.
Kamusta? Good. Kamusta yung kaninang nararamdaman dito sa taas? Ayos lang. Good. Okay? You're very well. Oh, paano ba maiiwasan yung mga ganitong bagay? Okay? Routine every morning. Stretching and exercise. Kahit hindi magbuhat ng mabigat, basta pinapawisan. At least 10 minutes less than or 5 minutes less than. Okay? Pwede. Meron ka naman siguro nun.
Meron po.
Yun. So, yun yung gagawin natin. Exercise and stretching every morning and bago matulog. Or anytime you want. Okay? Basta meron. Okay? Sige, yun talaga yung kailangan ng katawan natin. Para ma-eliminate yung mga konting mga ngalay. Okay? O, hindi naman sobrang magpapakapagod sa exercise. Pero kailangan lang meron. Alright? Thank you so much. Happy ka naman?
Opo.
Yan. Satisfied ka naman?
Satisfied.
Yun. Thank you so much again for trusting. Ayan. Meron ka bang gustong batiin?
Wala
Wala na. Okay. Thank you so much again, Des. Okay. O, picture tayo.